Hi guys, welcome to Ideal Industries. I thought I'd take the time out and show you one of our latest products that are on our range, our cable stacker. Gives you the ability to be able to have multiple cables on one clip versus having 4 or 5 different clips doing the same application. We believe it's a great tool for all those contractors out there trying to save some time, some money and labour. Let me show you. Very simple process like any other clip. And what it does, guys, is your normal wiring loom merely clips into place, gives you that functional ability for 4 2.5s, 5 1.5s or 5 1 mils. You can also use it for smaller inserts, and you can also use it for data products too, in terms of the cable. Guys, these products are available from all wholesalers in Australia. If you require any further information or any product presentations, we'd be happy to come out and showcase this product. Please look us up on our website or contact your local representative. We look forward to seeing and hearing from you guys. Let's get behind this product, guys. It's a real functional value for you. Take care. Thanks very much.